Okay, demi-plie 1, and pose effacé d'avant. And you have to make a little, yeah, this is why I put that in slower for you. You have to make a little fondu and dégagé so that you're able to step out. Do you understand that we try to always have to do that so that, because if you don't step out, you don't move, then you don't dance. So understand, again, watch, again, no. This is 1, this is 2, and step 3, stay, and step 4, stay, and plie, and up. This is 1, this is 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, okay? So I broke it apart like that because that is the footwork, and you know it's going to go faster before you leave here tonight, okay? And you all have to know this pas de bourrée because this is the pas de bourrée that eventually leads into the jumps and the dance steps across the floor.